Hey, what's up guys? So our topic for today is how to use this PC Decrapifier where you can uninstall those bloatwares or you call it Crapware. So let's do it. First, you have to download this PC Decrapifier at blippingcomputer.com/download PC Decrapifier. So I already downloaded it, so let's start. Let's install it. Just click yes and just next, again next. I ran a PC brand, so no. You can also create a restore point, so if you want it, you can create some. So I'll just click next. So here you can easily remove or manually remove the application you don't need. So I need this one, so just next. Removal complete. So there is no Crapware here, so they will just, it's done, like it's finished. So that's it. I hope it helps you a lot. Please request any video tutorial, just comment it down below and let's try doing it, and I'll see you on my next video.